Oh! Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be swapping out this motor for this one right here. We got two because one's for my friend. These are actually really hard to find right now. They're sold out everywhere, and I was lucky enough to find one 40 miles away in Watsonville. So these were the last two that they had in stock, so I grabbed them both. So yeah, we're gonna be taking this off, put this on. But first we're gonna take this bike down and see what's the max speed on it. All right, got the speed meter app on. Alright, as you guys can see, we maxed out at 20, which isn't too bad, but too slow for me, so we're gonna swap in a new motor. Let's go. Got the manual. This is the spark plug tool, I believe. Got the fresh motor right here. First things first, we're gonna put a motor. All right, we got the motor out. And it's pretty much the same size as the new one. The new one is about an inch taller, so hopefully it'll fit into this frame, but we'll see. Hell yeah, fits. All right, here's the other bike that we're gonna do a motor swap. All right, we're about to speed test this bike. Just do a couple passes up and down. Yeah. And then when you record, just record like this so they can see the number, you know? Okay. Yeah, is that tight? It's tight, right? Yeah, I think it's tight, yeah. All right, we got the oil. I'm gonna pull the motor out, add oil and gas, and put it back in. All right. The manual says to add a half a quart, so that's what we're doing. All right, this is half. All right, good. Next up, we're gonna add gas. Forgot to get gas, so I'm gonna use gas from the shovel head tank. Whatever works, right? That sounds how lazy they. I use gas from the tallest tank. She was huge. All right, I think that's it. We're ready to start the bike. All right, here goes nothing.
One eternity later.
All right, bike number 2. Let's put gas in there first.
$2,000 years later.
All right, we just finished the motor. Now we're gonna pull it down and let's ride. All right, here we got 2 bikes, just got motor swapped. All right, man, start it for the first time. Let it warm up first, and when you ride it, then push it.
Oh, okay, gotcha,
yeah.
gotcha.
First test ride. All right, he's gonna climb the hill for you guys to see how powerful the new motor is. This is pretty much our backyard.
You good? Yeah. Oh no. My guy, too much torque, man. Too much torque. Oh. All right, take 2. Here we go.
Bounce car.
Cheap fun right here. It doesn't come without risk.
All right, next we're gonna climb the hill right here. It's a pretty steep hill. We're gonna climb from back here. Ready? Go ahead. Crazy. My turn.
No!
Dude, this shit climbed the hill like nothing. Alright guys, it was a success. We climbed that hill like nothing.
Woo!
Before, my old motor wouldn't be able to climb even a third of it. This one climbed like nothing. But yeah, the swap worked. So next up, it just take the motor out, respray it, make it look nice, and then for him, make a new fender. the old fender didn't clear, so we had to chop it off. But yeah guys, make sure you don't do stupid shit.
Prepared.
Yeah. All right, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.